The World Health Organization has reported a record one-day increase in global coronavirus cases, with the total rising by over 307,000. More than 5,500 people died overnight across the globe, raising the death toll to over 922,000. Details in this report.
The second wave of COVID-19 is now threatening the economic recovery made in the Americas and Europe. Cases in France, Greece, Italy and the UK are once again on the rise after the countries lifted travel and other restrictions. Further east, Israel has decided to reimpose a 3-week lockdown after a spike in new locally transmitted cases.
I know those measures will exact a heavy price on us all. This is not the kind of holiday we are used to, and we certainly won't be able to celebrate with our extended families. And there will also be those affected by the lockdown, such as business owners and others.
But elsewhere, countries are cautiously opening up travel, businesses and schools as COVID-19 numbers dwindle. Saudi Arabia has decided to partially lift restrictions on international flights after 6 months. New Zealand has announced lifting restrictions on September 21st, with the exception of Auckland due to the second wave of infections there.
So while our aim is to speedily move down alert levels safely, we also need to be focused on the future, on getting back to level 1, but in a sustained way and not rushing there, only having to bounce out of it soon after.
The virus continues to ravage India, where hospitals are now running out of oxygen as the country reports close to 100,000 new cases every day. In the last 24 hours, India has registered 1,136 deaths and more than 92,000 cases, taking the country's caseload to over 4.8 million.